Today, everyone, palakpakan! So today natin ang birthday, no? So welcome here in Jollibee Matandaan. Kantahan natin in 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Sir Jomar, happy birthday, sir. Together with Jollibee and Dad, with especially Jollibee Cooking at lahat ng ating mga customer dito sa loob. And the birthday candle, Sir Jomar. Yun, palakpakan. Happy birthday to you. Well, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat sa gusto sa Jollibee and Dad. Hindi po kami magsasawang magpapasalamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you.
Enjoy